result of this round, 50x. Look at that, look at that, just look, the boom.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Top Wednesday, here's another spin time. So of course, guys, good luck. Let's move on. All the Nickers, welcome here at Crazy Town Wheel, of course. Yeah, the last biggest sportsy activity that I did was I ran 20 half marathon. I ran half marathon last year. 5 excellent cash out of the top slot. The year before I started off with 10 kilometers. Then last year I ran 22 basically. I don't know, should I do the full marathon this year? And you know what? On that note, we get cash on here with 5x on top. How about them apples? Makes me want to dance. Here we go. Woo! Better be good. Oh, it is pretty good situation. Lots of hundreds. 5x on top of that. Bam! Look at those goodies, guys. We get lots of 500s all across the board here now. What? Oh boy, okay. Focus. Right now you gotta choose and pick your target, guys, because that's gonna hold one of these multipliers. One of these goodies gonna be all yours. Either you pick on yourself, maybe choose out a pick option instead. That is entirely up to you. Whoa. Tell me why. Oh, you better be good, guys. The big reveal is here. How many of you got the 500x? Let's see. How many? 324 of you. Nice. More than 1,000 of you 100x winners. Guys, real good shots. 5K total winners. You get that guy. Self-winner here, and here's another spin time. So, of course, good luck. I mean... I want it that way. Wait.
Hit me, baby, one more time. I say I saw someone in blackjack that looks like you. Oh no! I thought hit me, baby, one more time. I thought I have one of those original. Different looks. Now you tell me that I have a copy of me. Anyways, crazy time with a 5x multiplier. Sveti saying you will know later where just... Sveti, what if you're actually just trolling me and you don't actually know doggy or something? Okay, crazy time, is that it? Come on, yes, ladies and gentlemen. Crazy time with a 5x, let's go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the crazy time with a 5x multiplier on the top slot. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, who is the best? We are the best. Our team is the best. Let's go. Let's make the magic happen. Sveti saying, if I'm not trolling you, let's have a one-on-one on Mobile Legends later. Nice, Sveti, like, make a Cosy Doggy write me in Messenger in like, I don't know. Wait, hold on. I have a crazy time to go through here. 500x multiplier or a double would be insane. Let's go. Okay, well, that's a 100x multiplier for the blue flapper, 75x for the yellow. And, well, can we get the double? We definitely can. 1000x multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. It's that or another double. Let's go with a play. Good luck to you. Come on. Let's go green. Okay, well, that's 150x for the green, which is not bad either. Let's continue with the game. Congratulations. Let's go. Welcome back at it again, ladies and gentlemen. Feel free to place your bets. Suerte saying he will just chill out now.
Too close to a crazy time though, but by the speed of the flap I could already tell he ain't gonna reach it. It was visible. Yeah, by the way, once again, welcome to the newcomers, and let's go forward. Thanos. Man, I love your nickname. It's like Titan Thanos. Thanos. Crazy Time 7X. Whoa! Whoa! Baby, wow! Look at that! Oh my goodness. That's precious right there. I'm gonna knock out the door, man. I'm telling you. Okay, joking. We must open that thingy. Oh. Hey, what's up? Welcome everybody on a 7X Crazy Time. Ah, yeah. You know how we call that? That's chinazas, ladies and gentlemen. A complete chinazas delivered just for you. Look how many doubles you can earn and 7 times everything. Boom. Oh, man, look at that. 70x multiplier is the lowest you can go. 700x is the highest one you can go. Pick one of the 3 flappers. Come on. Green, blue, or the yellow one. Where is the luck waiting for you? Still yet. Before I'm gonna press the button, I wanna say thank you to my mama, to my papa for burning me. Okay, joking. But actually being born, and yeah. Best of luck, that's 700x. Could be possible though. Whoa! 105, 350 with a 70 for the yellow team. Actually, that could be way more better. Psych. I really was expecting it to be way more bigger than that. A little bit more.
One in this round, congratulations. I'm really hoping more bonuses where the top one is gonna come out, because we definitely need a redemption for that, okay? Like when we have these kind of multipliers, like come on. Guys, I know it's not my fault, but no, it's like irritation from that. Even for us, we have that. We want that bonus round to go good. Not every time it goes good. Not every time we can predict where that puck is gonna land. A 5x on the cash in this time. Can we have it on the cash in, please? Can we? Woo! Come on now! That's cash in for 5x! Let's go! Welcome everybody to the cash hunt. Hey, to the cash hunt. Alright, so we have 100x in here, you know what that means. 5x, let's multiply. So we have a beautiful 500x in here later and quite a lot of beautiful multipliers for you. So let's go and catch it, shall we? You have quite a big chance here to catch something incredible for yourselves, guys. Like, you need to top the game up. Come on now. You're incredible, you're wonderful, and it's time to choose the lucky picture for yourself. Come on, let's go for a hunt. Choose whenever you feel that 500 or anything big is hiding. Come on, I believe in you. You need to believe in yourself. Come on now. Last seconds and it's time to reveal. Woo! Where's 500? I can't see. Oh, it's there. So congratulations to the lovely winners, and let's go back. So 2,774 of you have won in this round, everybody. Congratulations. Let's go into the next one, shall we? Alrighty, you ready? Last seconds. And bets are closed. Sveti, you good?
Congratulations. Numbering 10, please place your bets. So should bets like in the next round? Let's go. Now bets are closed. Good luck. Number 5 with 50x. What? Woo! Number 5 with 50x multiplier from TopSlot. Oh, wow! I'm alive. What? 1,189 winners. Oh! Woo! How much is it in total?
959 total winners of this round. Congratulations to all of you guys. And here we go. Another round. And let's wait for the greatest top slot result of this round. 50x on Pachinko. That's crazy. That's what the top slot gave us. 50x on Pachinko. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Wait, yes! 50x Pachinko, ladies and gentlemen. We go to the Pachinko with 50x. Wow! Hello, 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 Pachinko, ladies and gentlemen, with 50x. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Look at that, look at that, look, just look, the boom. Look. I cannot even read those numbers. So much numbers, let's go. Just, I wish you best of the luck. Max multipliers is 2,500. Can you believe that? We might break the record. Let's see, let's see. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. 750x multiplier. That's crazy. Congratulations to all the winners with 1,153 winners. 70. Wow. That's crazy. 750x multiplier on Pachinko. Can you believe that? Amazing. Literally amazing. Here we go.